When your UPWalker arrives, it should look like this. You've got two bands around it. The box should be in good shape. If there's any significant damage, you need to contact the carrier to report any damage, if there are holes in the box or things like that. When you get the unit, turn it on the side, cut off the bands. Use a sharp object such as some scissors to cut. You open up the top of the box, and with the top of the box, you've got the instruction manual that will open up. So now you've got a plastic lined product that you can just proceed to pull out, slide out of the box. If you've got someone else to help you, they can hold the box as you are pulling it. Put the UPWalker in an upright position. Pull the bag down off of it. And at this point, there's some protection for the armrest supports up here. You can slide that off by pulling it one direction. In addition, there's some protection around the handles. Just pull that off. This is just another piece of protection to protect the unit from getting scratched during shipping. You can pull that out. And you'll notice a box underneath. The box underneath has the accessories in it. Push that off to the side. Now, one of the first things you'll do is push down these gray tabs. They're up so that they don't get broken during shipping, but that frees up the wheels so that they can turn. If they're in the upright position, they're locked in a straightforward position. So push those down to free them up. And then as you first use your product, you'll turn the wheels in the backward position. You'll hear a slight clicking sound, which means the wheels are locked in the correct position. They're just in the forward position during shipping to, again, protect the unit. Now, next thing you'll do is unstrap the Velcro which holds the unit together. Open the unit up. And as you open the unit up, you are able to gently lift up on the back, and then as they get pushed out, you can push it back in. And then press down on these side rails to secure the seat and the unit in place. That makes the product very stable. See how the seat slides backwards and forwards there. Next, we are able to raise up the armrest. You're able to turn the hand grips in the desired position. And with these cam levers, tighten up so that they don't turn.